Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create a new account in Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. So how to create a new account in Microsoft Edge in Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the Microsoft Edge application on our computer. Already on the main display of the Edge application. Just point the cursor to the top left of the screen. Here there is a profile icon. And tap. Can be seen here I have not entered an account in this Edge. To create it, tap menu Create New Account. Now here you will enter the email input menu. Tap on the text. Get a new email address. Now here we will enter a new email. Type a new email here. After finishing, tap Next. Next here we will be asked to create a new password. Type here the password that we will blind. Then tap Next. And here we are asked to add the first name and last name that will later appear on the Microsoft Edge account profile. Tap Next. And here we will be asked to enter birth address and also date of birth. Once finished, then tap Next. Here, tap Next again. Well, I've finished creating a new account on Microsoft Edge. To see it, we can see it in the profile menu at the top left of the screen on Microsoft Edge. So that's it, the tutorial how to create a new account in Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.